If you're planning to buy a car in 2026, you need to be careful. Because right now, the market is full of options that look good on paper, but turn into expensive mistakes over time. Some cars are cheap up front, but cost thousands in repairs later. Some are packed with features, but lack long-term reliability. And some, very quietly, become the smartest financial decision you can make. So in this video, we're breaking down 10 cars you should actually buy in 2026, based on real-world reliability, ownership cost, comfort, and long-term value. No hype, no brand bias, just smart choices that will save you money and stress over time.
Number 10, Toyota Corolla.
Toyota Corolla. Price: $20,000, $24,000. The Toyota Corolla is one of the safest and most practical cars you can buy in 2026. It's not exciting, it's not flashy, but that's exactly why it works so well. This car is built for long-term reliability and low ownership cost. Fuel economy is excellent, often reaching 35 to 40 miles per gallon, which makes it perfect for daily commuting. Maintenance is simple and inexpensive, and parts are widely available. Many Corolla owners drive well beyond 200,000 miles without major issues. If your goal is to save money, avoid breakdowns, and own a car that just works every day without problems, the Corolla is one of the smartest decisions you can make.
Number 9, Honda Civic.
Price: $24,000, $28,000. The Honda Civic offers a step up from the Corolla in terms of driving experience while maintaining strong reliability. It feels more refined, more responsive, and more modern. The interior quality is better, the handling is sharper, and overall it's more enjoyable to drive. At the same time, it still delivers excellent fuel economy and long-term durability. This is the car for someone who wants reliability, but doesn't want to feel bored behind the wheel. The Civic proves that you don't have to sacrifice driving enjoyment to get a dependable car.
Number 8, Mazda 3.
Mazda 3. Price: $24,000, $30,000. The Mazda 3 is one of the most underrated cars in this price range. It feels like a luxury car without the luxury price tag. The interior design, materials, and driving feel are noticeably better than most competitors. Mazda has also improved reliability significantly in recent years, making this a strong long-term choice. If you want something that feels premium but still remains affordable and dependable, the Mazda 3 is a smart and often overlooked option. It's a car that delivers more than people expect.
Number 7, Toyota Camry.
Toyota Camry. Price: $26,000, $32,000. The Toyota Camry is known for one thing: consistency. It's not about excitement, it's about reliability and peace of mind. This car has proven itself over decades, with many examples reaching 200,000 miles or more with minimal issues. Fuel economy is strong, maintenance costs are low, and resale value remains high. If you want a car that you don't have to think about, a car that simply does its job every single day without drama, the Camry is one of the best choices available.
Number 6, Honda Accord.
Honda Accord. Price: $28,000, $35,000. The Honda Accord is one of the most balanced cars you can buy. It combines space, comfort, performance, and reliability in a way that very few cars do. The interior is spacious, the ride is smooth, and the driving experience is more engaging than most sedans in this category. It's perfect for families, commuters, and even drivers who want a bit of performance. The Accord doesn't just do one thing well, it does everything well. That's what makes it one of the best all-around cars in 2026.
Number 5, Toyota RAV4.
Toyota RAV4. Price: $30,000, $37,000. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the most popular SUVs for a reason. It offers the perfect combination of practicality, reliability, and efficiency. It has enough space for families, strong resale value, and excellent fuel economy for an SUV. The hybrid version is especially efficient, saving even more money on fuel over time. This is a vehicle designed for everyday life, commuting, road trips, and family use. If you want an SUV that you can rely on for years without major problems, the RAV4 is one of the safest bets.
Number 4, Honda CR-V.
Honda CR-V. Price: $30,000, $36,000. The Honda CR-V focuses more on comfort and usability. It offers a smoother ride, a quieter cabin, and a more refined interior compared to many competitors. It's extremely practical, with plenty of cargo space and a comfortable driving position. Reliability is strong, and maintenance costs remain reasonable. For drivers who prioritize comfort and daily usability over aggressive styling or performance, the Car-V is one of the best choices in the SUV category.
Number 3, Lexus ES.
The Lexus ES. Price, $25,000 to $35,000 used. The Lexus ES is one of the smartest used car purchases you can make. It offers luxury-level comfort with Toyota-level reliability. The ride is extremely smooth, the cabin is quiet, and the materials feel premium. Unlike many luxury cars, the ES does not come with high maintenance costs or frequent problems. This makes it a perfect option for buyers who want comfort and quality without the risk typically associated with luxury vehicles. Buying a slightly used Lexus ES often gives you more value than buying a brand new average car.
Number 2, Toyota Highlander.
Toyota Highlander. Price, $35,000 to $45,000. The Toyota Highlander is built for families who need space and reliability. It offers 3-row seating, making it ideal for larger households or long trips. The ride is comfortable, the interior is practical, and the reliability is consistent with Toyota's reputation. It's not the most exciting SUV, but it's one of the most dependable. For families looking for a long-term vehicle that can handle daily use and road trips without issues, the Highlander is a strong choice. Number 1. Toyota Prius. Price, $28,000 to $35,000. The Toyota Prius has become one of the smartest choices for long-term ownership. The latest models are more stylish, more comfortable, and more efficient than ever before. With fuel economy often exceeding 50 miles per gallon, the savings over time can be significant. It's also one of the most reliable hybrid systems on the market. For drivers who want to reduce fuel costs and own a car that's built for long-term efficiency, the Prius stands out as one of the best choices in 2026. Choosing a car is not just about the price you pay today. It's about what you'll pay over the next 5 to 10 years. Maintenance, repairs, fuel cost, and resale value all matter. A car that looks cheap today can become expensive very quickly if it's unreliable. That's why smart buyers focus on long-term value, not just the initial cost. Here's the truth. The best car isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that lasts, the one that saves you money, the one that doesn't create problems when you least expect it. If you choose the right car, you're not just buying transportation, you're buying peace of mind. If this video helped you, subscribe, because in the next video, we're breaking down 5 cars you should never buy in 2026, and one of them might already be on your list.